It's a mild, clear day, so the weather won't be a factor in this battle between the UCLA Bruins and the Cougars of Brigham Young. The early season continues, and we're here ready to bring you what appears to be another fantastic college gridiron matchup. And this one's away. Number 45 takes from the 10 at the 30. So now we'll get the time player, but he's going to have to play his best game today. He faces a quarterback that can make you pay if you're not careful.
I'm predicting an interception by this kid today.
Ha! I like that. Kirk making a call. Let's see if he picks off one before this game is over.
Incomplete. Overthrew his intended target.
We talked about this before, how pressure causes the quarterback to hurry his passes. Here he felt the blitz coming and got rid of the ball a little too quickly.
Second down and 10 to go. Ball on the 36-yard line. Number 15 lines up with 4 wideouts. Drops back to pass. Tosses short. Batted ball.
The defense looked alive on that play.
Yeah, Coach. He did a great job of reading the play and beating the receiver to the ball.
From their own 36-yard line. 3rd and 10. Number 45 lines up in a deep back. I formation. He's in trouble. Throws it deep downfield. It's tipped. Shot at the 28. The Bruins come out in the ace formation. First down. Look at the throw. He looks. Number 12 lets it fly. Someone got a hand on it. How about that play?
They tried to squeeze that one in there. Forget about it.
It's second down and 10 to go. Ball on the 28. He drops back. Surveys the field. He rolls left. He throws. Caught. There's a missed tackle.
That's a first down right there.
Yeah, if I was the defense, I think I would man up on these guys next time.
Yeah, this quarterback is very good at recognizing zone coverage and then finding the open receiver.
First down, 10 yards to go. Ball right around midfield. UCLA comes to the line with 3 wide. Back to pass. He's looking. Rolls to the right. Lets it fly. It's complete. Tackle at the 44-yard line. Short pass there, and they get a moderate gain.
There's nothing wrong with nickel and diming him down the field.
Second down. The Bruins line up in an I formation. Drops back to pass. Looks. And he's going to be sacked for a loss. The pressure got to him that time.
Now they brought the heat here, and the linebacker was able to spring free for a big play.
It's third down and a long way to go. Ball on the 44. UCLA sets up in the I. Looking, throws it. Got it. And he's all the way down to the 29. What an amazing catch. First down.
Boy, Brad, you said it. That is a big-time play there. Spectacular catch and great body control there on the long pass reception.
First down, 10 to go. Ball on the 29-yard line. UCLA comes out with an I formation. He's under pressure. Ball is loose. Fumble. Number 35 recovers a loose ball. Brigham Young comes out in the shotgun. They'll throw on first down. With the throw. Bounces off the would-be tackler. And they make the stop at the 49-yard line. A gain of 9 yards on the play. It's second down. Brigham Young sets up with 4 receivers. He drops back, throws in a hurry. This one is incomplete. Number 45 was the intended receiver on the play, so that'll make it third down. Third down and a yard. Ball on their own 49.
Set.
Setting up play action. He'll take it himself. Tackle made at the 43. There's a flag on the field, and I think I have a good feeling of what this might be. So they'll have to line up for another third down play after they got the penalty marched off against them.
Yep, just a bad time to be making a mistake like that.
3rd and 11 coming up here. Ball on their own 39. Brigham Young lines up in a shotgun set. He drops back. He steps up, looking. He lets it go deep down the middle. He got it to the tail. He's all the way home. Touchdown. Terrific pass, and the wideout hauls it in for the touchdown.
Brad, the wide
First down. Look at the throw. Surveys the field. He lets it go. He snags it. He's hit and taken down. He ran a good-looking route and picked up positive yardage.
That he did, and he made a good catch. That short passing game is where you see all those hours in the summer that you put in pay off.
They line up at the 39. 2nd and 3 coming up. The Cougs line up in a 3-4. Looks. He sails it long. Diving for extra yardage. There's a flag down, and here's the call. And so he was the first one to touch the ball after stepping out, and they'll lose it down because of it. From the 39-yard line, 3rd and 3. Number 36, the lone back. He drops back, throws it out there. They made a great connection there for the touchdown, didn't they, fellas?
What, a quarterback threw a strike to the wide receiver. He caught it and took it all away.
Boy, what a dangerous combination. You can't say enough about how good that throw was. The quarterback put that one right on the money.
And he tacks on the extra point. So under 3 minutes. Number 15 has 4 receivers lined up here. Hands it to the back. That's a great tackle at the 39-yard line.
That was a great hit by the defender. He just drove the ball carrier right to the ground.
2nd down. To the back, down the middle, and he pulls it down. And a nice pass to the tight end.
Yeah, this is what I like. Move the ball down the field. Use that nice and steady intermediate passing game.
From the 49-yard line, it's 1st down. Back to pass. Over the middle. They'll bring him down at the 44-yard line. The offense calls a timeout, and that was their first timeout. Second and 5. Ball on the 44-yard line. Brigham Young sets up with 4 receivers. Drops back to pass. Looks. He's under pressure. Oh, man. He took him down hard. Looks like someone was called for holding.
He didn't even try to hide it there. That was a blatant holding call.
They'll call that every time.
2nd down. The Cougs line up with 4 wideouts. Back to pass. Over the middle. It's complete. That was some catch.
It was amazing. That play should get those other receivers fired up.
3rd down and short. Ball on the 39-yard line. The defense sets up in the nickel. Gets the ball. No, they faked it. He passes it. Still perfect on the drive. And they make the stop at the 24. The Cougars call a timeout. That was their second timeout. First and 10. Ball on the 24. The Cougs come out in a shotgun. They'll throw on first down. Surveys the field. Wants to throw outside. And he is drilled at the 18-yard line. And they'll go with a no huddle. The offense lines up with 3 wide receivers. He throws it, catches it, dives forward. He's pushed out of bounds at the 11-yard line. And guys, you can just feel the momentum building. So they decide to bring the kicker out to try to get 3 points before the half ends. Brigham Young could take the lead with this field goal. The kick is up. And it is good. They can take a halftime lead by taking this one all the way back, folks. Kicks off. They'll get the ball here at the 7-yard line. He looks to throw on first down. He's going long. He makes a circus catch. Well, we've played a half of football, and our score is Brigham Young 10. Ball on their own 25. First down, look at the throw. Looking, rolling out to the right side. Lets it go. He's got it! Dives for extra yardage. And he will score. They hooked up for the big play.
The coaches do a good job of getting this receiver the ball. They design plays specifically for him, like the one we just saw.
And the end results are huge chunks of yardage and touchdowns.
They'll line it up for the extra point. And he hits the PAT. So under 3 minutes to go. Hands it off. Tackled for a loss. A great defensive effort there.
And let me tell you, the key to that play was right there in the defensive line. They tied this offensive line up and allowed their linebackers to come up and make a big play.
Lee, I agree with you. We always talk about the linebackers and safeties, but credit the big guys up front for that play.
Number 15 lines up in the shotgun. Drops back to pass with a quick throw. And it's picked off. And he dives forward. And down he goes at the 14-yard line. Not a good decision there. Why'd he even throw that pass?
Well, this is a good job by the corner of sitting back and reading the quarterback's eyes. Good job of disguising coverage as well.
This cornerback is a gamer. He comes to play every game.
They'll go to work at the 14. Number 36 lines up as a single back. They'll throw on first down. He looks. He's rolling right. He throws. He's right there for the interception. Dives forward. And he's tackled at the 18.
That's as soon as he touched the football.
Number 15 with 4 wide receivers. Back to pass. Moves up in the pocket. This one's thrown deep over the middle. It's deflected. Looking. He rolls out to the left. Here comes the pressure. It looked like they caught the quarterback by surprise.
Well, that's a great call by the defensive coordinator. They send him off the corner, and he just uses his speed to get the sack.
They line up at the 20. It's second down and a long ways to go. UCLA comes out with an I formation. Number 12 throws, and he couldn't hang on to it. Incomplete. He might have been looking to run and didn't secure the ball.
Well, sometimes you see young players do this. This is something they have to work very hard to be able to overcome.
Third and long. Ball on the 20. UCLA sets up in the I. He's looking to pass. Looking. He rolls out to the right. Lets it fly. And it's going the other way. He tried to force that one in there.
Yep.
The Cougs line up with 4 wideouts. Gives it to the back. And he takes a big hit at the 36. Nowhere to go for the halfback. That's a loss of 1. It's third down. Brigham Young sets up with 4 receivers. Drops back to pass. Steps up in the pocket. Looks. Going long. Number 3 brings it in. Touchdown. They made that touchdown look really, really easy, Coach.
And that's what you get when you practice hard all week long. Practice makes perfect, my friend. And that was as close to perfect as you will get.
Trying to go up by 3. They'll kick the extra point. And he adds the extra point. A little laundry on the field, and we'll find out whose it is. They'll line up for the point after. He makes the PAT. Just a few seconds remaining now in the third quarter. And our score, Brigham Young, 17. UCLA, 14. Brigham Young ready to kick this one off. He kicks off. Number 4 fields it at the 7. Sheds 1 tackler. So the offense will come out and try to turn things around after an interception on their last drive.
The quarterback has to get that interception out of his head. You can't be scared to keep firing away in this game, or the defense will tear you apart.
They'll set up shop at the 26-yard line. UCLA goes with the ace set here. He looks to throw on first down. He's drilled as he throws. Incomplete. Pressure. The defense comes out of the dime package. There's the play fake. Looks. Throws it. It's deflected. It falls incomplete. Did they really make a good choice there?
I don't think so. You got to play it smart, punt the football there.
Yeah, you're losing, but that doesn't mean you throw in the towel and get crazy on fourth down. I don't like that call at all.
A very important possession here. 4 wide. Drops back to pass. Number 15 loses it, and they fall on the loose ball. Boy, they dodged a bullet right there, fellas.
More like dodging a missile. They have the lead. It's the fourth quarter. They have to protect the ball.
But the defense is doing whatever it can to get the ball back. Remember, they're still in this ball game.
Brigham Young comes to the line with 3 wide. Looks to pass. He throws it, and he brings it down. He ignores the footsteps and makes the catch. They just couldn't get to the quarterback in time.
That's one of the things that can happen if a defense brings extra guys to rush the quarterback. The offense will have favorable matchups to get the ball downfield.
And this kid is talented enough to see those receivers. It's not easy to get the ball past those big bulldozers when they're flying right at you.
They're in the red zone, where last time they came away with only a field goal. Up the middle. They'll bring him down at the 4. Number 45 picks up 2 yards with the carry. It's second and goal. Let's see if they can get it in for the touchdown.
Check key.
He drops back, flips it, And that one's fallen incomplete. Interesting call right there, going with a pass play.
Well, sometimes you take a chance and throw it with everybody thinking run.
Yeah, but if you don't complete it, you play it into the defense's hands and stop the clock.
It's 3rd and goal, and they're about 4 yards out. Shotgun formation. Let's see if they run the draw here. Surveys the field, and he's going to be sacked. Great play by the defense.
Ooh, that time they came with the blitz, and the linebacker was able to get free and come away with a sack.
Fourth down. The field goal attempt will be about a 26-yarder. He gets it up. And the field. They line up at the 27. It's 3rd down. The Bruins line up in an I formation. Drops back to pass. He's looking. Rolls right. Heaves a long one down the middle. That's incomplete.
That's a fantastic defensive effort.
Yeah, the deflection prevented them from getting any yards. And now it's 4th down.
Looks like they're going to go for it on 4th down. UCLA comes to the line, only one man in the backfield. Rolls to the right. He's going to go for the home run. Catches it. And he's all the way down to the 32. And on 4th down, they come up big.
They needed a fresh set of downs, but they still have a long ways to go, Kurt.
Yeah, Coach, but they're taking it one step at a time. And that's exactly what they need to do to get the ball down the field.
He lets it go deep down the middle. And it falls incomplete. And that was a good defensive play.
Yeah, guys, this is because he's in great position to make the play.
That'll make it 2nd down from the 32-yard line. It's 2nd down and 10 to go. UCLA goes with the ace set here. Nice play fake. Rolling out to the right side. He airs it out. It's tipped. So he throws it right at the safety there.
Yeah, he was lucky that one wasn't picked off. Excellent job by the defender, that time preventing a score.
They line up at the 32. We've got 3rd and 10. The Bruins come out in the ace formation. On play action. Airing it out long. This one is incomplete. So they're on it.
That could have been 6 if that pass would have been thrown a little bit better. The defense got away with it there.
So the kicker comes out. He'll try to put 3 points on the board. The kick is up. And this is no good. He didn't have the leg for it. Well, that's a tough break for these guys who are looking to put 3 points up on the board. They'll start this drive at the 32-yard line. We should just see the quarterback take a knee right here, winding down the rest of this clock. He'll go down to one knee. And this one's all wrapped up. Kirk, what'd you think of this one?
Oh, this was a great football game, and these kids will remember this game for a long time. UCLA played a great game, and they should be proud, but I was not impressed with